All right, today I have a Genesis GV70 and I'm going to show you how to do the remote start with this Genesis GV70. I have the key fob in my hand. I'm going to go over it, how to do it. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? Thanks a lot. So with the Genesis GV70, in order to do remote start, the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that the vehicle is off. All right, the doors are locked. I press this to make sure the doors are locked. All the doors are shut. All right, and then I'm going to go over onto this button right here. Do you see this? It says there's almost a full circle, semicircle, and it has the words hold on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press this and hold it down, POP, for a few seconds. All right, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to press the lock and then hold it down for a couple of seconds. And it starts up just like that. Let me show you again where you have the key in here. I'm gonna turn it off. You can turn it off by pressing that. So again, it's the lock. Hold down the semicircle for a few seconds and it starts up. All right. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna press the lock, hold it down a few seconds, and just like that, automatic start. And that's how you start up the Genesis GV70. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.